Hello everyone. Good evening. My name is Sakti Banwal, and in this video, I will explain this few coding challenges of JavaScript coding problem. For each problem, I will explain the logic of the problem, the error in the original code, and the correction how I'll correct this code, the proper solution, and the time complexity of the program. So this is the alma mater courses, and this is my first project what I have to submit. So for that, I'll take as I told that I'll take few coding problem. I'll take five coding problems. Already five coding problems I have given the code with errors. Means bugs are given already that I'll resolve, and I will explain how I've resolved and what concept I used. So I'll come to the GitHub where all the codings I have written and the solution as well. So this is my first program, BMI Calculator. Okay, so this program write a JavaScript function calculator BMI weight and height that calculate a person's body mass index BMI and return the appropriate health classification. The function already given with the bugs, so that we have to resolve, and we have to resolve this program, these functions. Okay, so we can see that this function calculate, we used one function with the weight and load, and the another we used constant BMI formula, that weight divided by height multiply of heights. And then second, this condition we have applied here: if BMI is less than 18.5, then it will return underweight. Else if BMI is greater than 18.5 or BMI is greater than 24.9, then it will return as a normal weight. Like that, other condition also we have. So what are the bugs here? In the alma mater coding problem, here it is written in the description that if BMI is between 18.5 and 24.9, then only it will classified as normal weight. Okay, so we got to know that it's this logical or will be not required here. That's why I have updated here logical and in the conditions. If else if BMI is greater than 18.5, logical and BMI is less than 24.9, then it will turn as normal weight. And second nested if also, else if also BMI is greater than 25, then only, and BMI is less than 29.9, then it will turn as overweight. Otherwise, it will return as obese. This is how we have resolved the bugs. Okay, but the second another point, how will calculate the time complexity? As we can see, and there is no loop or recursive call in this function. That means we have performed only few arithmetic calculation and comparison here, right? So the time complexity will be here. The time complexity will be zero, capital O, 1, because we have not used any loop or any recursive functions calls. Now move to the second coding problem, convert temperature. So what is the question here? Write a JavaScript function, convert temperature unit, anything can be, and that convert a temperature value between the Celsius and Fahrenheit. That means if we give any input as a temperature as a Fahrenheit, then it will convert into the Celsius. If we give an input as a Celsius, then it will convert the temperature as a Fahrenheit. So that we have to see. The code is given here, code with errors, and so we'll see the code first. Function convert temperature. We have taken one function with the temperature or unit anything. If unit is C, then constant Fahrenheit equal to temperature into 9 modulus 5 plus 32. Okay, and then it will return the Fahrenheit value. Else if unit is Fahrenheit F, then constant it will convert into Celsius. Then Celsius formula we have given it is temperature minus 32 into 5 modulus 9. Okay, and if any other keyword we if we give any other keyword to this unit or temperature, then it will return as an invalid unit. You use C for Celsius and or F for Fahrenheit. So like that we have to fix how to fix where is the bug. So the main bug we can see here that it is used here, that's modulus part, modulus which is not correct here. Okay, so I have fixed it with the divided part. Okay, this is the only part we have to correct it to fix this code, whole code. So I have given Fahrenheit equal to temperature into 9 by 5 plus 32 and Celsius equal to temperature minus 32 into 5 by 9. This is how we can resolve this temperature conversions code. And for the time complexity we can see again we have not used any for loops, and only we have checked the condition and the arithmetic operations. So that's why again for this also the time complexity will be sorry, one only. Okay, now moving to the next coding problem, calculate tips. So write a JavaScript function calculate this bill amount tip percentage that calculate the total amount to be paid including the tips. I'll just go to the full of discussion of the calculatives to understand more on it. Okay, so what is the full question? The function should take two argument, bill amount, the total bill amount, and tip percentage. The tip percentage to be applied, expressed as a decimal. Calculate the tip amount by multiplying the bill amount by the tip percentage and add the calculated tips amount to the bill amount to get the total amount to be paid. Okay, so the function should return the total amount to be paid rounded to two decimal places as a number. That means uh, one weight will be given, bill amount will be given, and the tip percentage will be given. Two input will be given. Okay, the bill amount, the total percentage, and the total bill amount will come as a multiply of this plus bill amount. Means bill amount plus bill amount into tip percentage equal to the total bill amount. So now coming to the coding part. Okay, so in the coding part, code with error it is given. Okay, here, so here we can see in that function calculate tip, as I mentioned, that bill amount and tip percent is given as an input, and we have taken that tip amount is equal to bill amount into tip percentage. How many means 60 into 2.1 0.25 is the tip percentage, and the total amount will be the bill amount plus tip amount. It's correct only. Then return it will the number total amount to fixed to. So here what is the bugs? This is also correct, this is also correct. Then return number, this is a one type of functions called. So in this we can see no, in the note they have given use number functions method to convert string value to number, and I can see here n is capital here. So but here it is used n is a small. So we have just update the n as is capital one, and it will work. This is how we have to fix the bugs for this calculatives. Okay, and for the time complexity of this, uh, uh, again like no loop we have used, and only we perform the arithmetic operation. So for that also the time complexity will be 0 1 only, or 1 only. Now coming to the fourth coding problem. What is that? Write a JavaScript function is palindrome that check whether a given string is palindrome or not. And to check the palindrome question, some category is given there. Okay, what is the condition they have given? Convert the input string to lowercase, remove any alphanumeric characters including space or punctuations from the string, and third condition, compare the modified string with its reverse to determine if it is a palindrome. So now coming to the code part. So we can see that function is given is palindrome is string case, and this constant clean string is given string dot replace it, it will replace all the um, it it will just it will replace this all these non-alphanumeric characters and punctuation and space everything it will remove. Okay, and in that constant reverse a string, it will reverse the strings killian string dot split dot reverse, it will call that function. But what is the where is the first condition, convert the input string to the lowercase? This is missing in this code part. That is the bug here in this full code. That is the bug, that it is not converting the lowercase, because to convert the lowercase, a particular string, to convert the lowercase we have to use a keyword to lowercase. Okay, what you have to use to lowercase. So that what I have updated in this code, you can see directly. So clean string equal to string is calling to lowercase, to lowercase, and then it will remove the that any alphabetic order space and punctuation parts, and then it will reverse the strings. And then if it is if both are same, like input is if a race car, if I take input as a race car, then it is equal as a race car only, then it will return as a true, it will return as a true. Okay, that how it will return. Okay, race car, then it will return as a true. This is the one of the palindrome question. Now moving to the next question, count vowel. As we know, in our alphabetical orders we have the five vowels: a, e, I, o, u. Everyone knows about it, right? Just we'll go through one conditions if it is there, vowel counts. So the write a JavaScript function that count the number of vowels in a given string. The function should take an argument string. The function should return the count of the vowel in the input string. Okay, so we have to give the input, any input, it will be the sentence or the words. In that, how many vowels are present, that have to we have to count it. So code with errors, the bugs in the code is given already. Now we'll find where is the bugs here. Okay, so function count vowels string inputs already given there. We have taken the constant vowel a, e, I, o, u, which is a fixed, and the constant lower string dot to lowercase, because if first it will convert all the string into the lowercase only. And then we have taken one variable, let count equal to 0, and we will start the iteration parts for loops here. So let I is equal to 0, I less than equal to lower string dot length here. Okay, so here we can see let I is equal to 0, I less than equal to lower string dot length. As we can see, as we know that if it is start with 0th index, then the length will be I less than only to lower string dot length not equal to. So this is the bug here, it will not give proper output. So that's what I have updated here in the code part in the for loop only. Let I is equal to 0, I less than lower string dot length, and I plus plus. Now it will give the proper output of the particular in the particular sentence or words, how many vowels are present. This is how we can resolve the vowel count error. So here we can, as we have used the for loop, then its time complexity will be on, and the on, because we have used the for loops in this function. And I have explained these five coding problems, and I will share the link as well. Thank you, everyone.